Hi Science2 students. I'm heating up some water on a hot plate here. As you can see, I've got it to about just over 80 degrees Celsius. Notice that it is not boiling, and hopefully you know that we are at sea level, so it would boil at 100 degrees Celsius, but not at 80. And what I want to try to show you now is that if I take this same beaker and place it here in a vacuum seal, so I'm going to lift up this. So this is a sort of glass device that we put down on here, seal it, and it's hooked up to this machine that is going to remove air. It's going to suck and create negative pressure, so it's going to relieve the pressure on the inside. I need to go over this to make sure there's a seal on it. So that air doesn't get out. We'll see how well this works. But watch what happens to the water when I then turn this on. Now it is boiling. You can see that on the inside. I know it's kind of hard to see. It's boiling a whole lot, actually. And now watch what happens when I relieve the pressure. Boiling stops. So you can see that the atmospheric pressure, the air pressure around the beaker can alter the boiling.